Welcome to this video where we'll dive into the fascinating world of industrial robots. Whether you're someone who's never thought much about robots, or you're just curious about how they've shaped modern industries, this video is perfect for you. We'll be exploring what robots are, their evolution, and how they've changed industries as we know them today. Let's start with a question that might seem basic, but is incredibly important. What exactly is a robot?
A robot is a machine, often programmable by a computer, capable of carrying out complex tasks automatically. Robots can perform physical activities. For example, think of lifting, welding, or assembling parts, as well as other tasks like data analysis and decision-making. But here's the key difference. A robot is not just any machine. What makes it unique is its ability to interact with its environment, gather information through sensors, and then act based on that input, without human intervention. Now, when you think of robots, what comes to mind? Is it the ones from science fiction movies that walk and talk like humans? Or maybe it's those sleek robotic arms seen in manufacturing plants? Interestingly, industrial robots, the focus of this video, are not the humanoid types you might imagine. They're often much simpler in form, but incredibly powerful in function. So what was the purpose of inventing industrial robots in the first place? The primary reason industrial robots were invented was to enhance productivity, precision, and efficiency in manufacturing processes. Before robots, manufacturing heavily relied on human labor. While humans are incredibly skilled, there are limitations to how fast and accurately a person can perform repetitive tasks, especially over long hours. Machines were introduced to assist, but they lacked the flexibility and precision needed for tasks requiring variability and adaptability. This gap is what industrial robots filled. Let's travel back to the 1950s and 60s to look at the early days of industrial robots. The first industrial robot, Unimate, was introduced in 1961 by George Devil and Joseph Engelberger. These names might not be as famous as Steve Jobs or Elon Musk, but Devil and Engelberger are often referred to as the fathers of robotics. Unimate's primary task was to work on a General Motors production line, where it performed tasks like welding parts together. Imagine the risk and time it would take a human worker to perform this on heavy automobile parts. The robot could do it faster, more efficiently, and without the risk of injury. It was a game changer. This marked the beginning of a new era for manufacturing. But why did industries start to use robots more frequently during this time? Several factors contributed. Labor shortages. In the post-World War II era, there was a significant shortage of skilled labor in many countries. Companies needed a way to keep up with demand while maintaining quality. Increased competition. Globalization was picking up speed, and companies needed to find ways to cut costs and improve productivity to stay competitive. Advances in technology. The development of computers and control systems allowed for more sophisticated machines that could be programmed to perform specific tasks with high precision.